Hey guys, I am back with a long overdue tutorial. So today we're gonna make these cotton balls ornaments that I have seen at Hobby Lobby. When I was at Hobby Lobby, I really wanted some, but they were, I think, $14.99 or $9.99 for two, which is really not a bad deal if you use your coupon, I guess. But I was like, I know I can make this cheaper, and I'm going to need more than two for my tree. So I got to thinking, and I was like, hey, let's just run to the Dollar Tree and let's see if we can do this. So if you want to learn how to make these cute little ornaments for your tree, then stick around. So what you're going to need, obviously, is cotton balls. I got mine from the Dollar Tree. A pack of the bigger ornaments. You get 9. So basically, I got 9 ornaments that I could make for around $3 versus the 2 for $9. So I just got a pack of these. You can get any color because it really doesn't matter. You can even go bigger and get some foam balls, which I had these on hand. I don't even know where I got these. And I used juke twine. You can get this at the Dollar Tree too. And that was it. Oh, and I got some pine cones, which I just picked up out of the yard. Okay, and you're going to need hot glue and all that good stuff. So let's get started. So what I did is I just took this ball, just a cheap plastic ball, and I just put my hot glue on it, all around it. And the reason I did it this way is you could probably go through the little hole here, but I was like, it's going to be covered. It doesn't matter. So be very careful and hold that. So I just tied it in a knot, made a little string because this is going to be hidden down in the ornament. Hold it for a few seconds so it stays on there. And then, see, you have your little hanging ornament. Okay, now this is the fun part. Okay, this little booger is going to be a problem. So I guess just hold it a little bit longer. Guys, I am so excited for Christmas. I love Christmas. It's like my favorite time of the year. I even love like shopping, Black Friday shopping, all that. And I know I'm crazy, but I just love it. Okay. So I'm just going to take hot glue. I hope you can see. I know this lighting is really terrible in here. I actually have a YouTube room, but I put all my Christmas decor stuff in there, and when we got it out of storage, so it was a mess. So you just take, oh, I hope you can see that. So you just take and put cotton balls all around your ornament. There's really no rhyme or reason to this. Just get crazy with it if you want to. And this does take a little bit of hot glue. But these ornaments turned out super cute. And I honestly looked at them at Hobby Lobby and they're the same. Really, really the same. Let me see. That just looks like a hot mess on camera. Oh, it does look like a hot mess on camera. Sorry. Maybe it's the lighting. I bet it's my lighting. My lighting sucks in my kitchen. I moved since I've been on YouTube. Yeah, this is gonna, when I first started making this, I was like, oh, this is gonna be a DIY fail. But it turned out. Be careful, don't get your thumb on that hot glue, because dang, that glue gun is hot. I made a couple of these this morning, so. And you just kind of just go around your ornament and fill it in. You can kind of see it starting to form. I know it looks like a mess right now, but it'll come out, guys. I promise, it always does. Okay. You see, it's starting to come out. So like I said, I was able to do 9 of these ornaments for $3 versus the 2. Okay, so we're just going to continue to stick these on there. Literally, this takes 5 minutes. Your kids could do this. This would be good for like, I mean, anybody could do this project, and it's fun. Let's see. Here we go. And like I said, it does take a little bit of hot glue, but I'm just like really heavy when I use hot glue. Push that in there. I don't know why my glue, every glue gun I've ever bought, I've had like issues with the glue sorting. I think it's just me. Okay. See how fast this goes. Okay, right here's one. I noticed like when you go around, you can't even see for this lighting. This lighting sucks, I apologize. But just make sure when you go around that you just like fill in any little gaps that you might see, because there might be. And then I just kind of, I don't want to smush it all together because, you know, but I don't want to smush it, but I want it to be round like they are. I just don't want it smashed. Okay, so we got this. And it's round. For some reason on camera it kind of looks wonky. Okay, maybe it don't. Let's push it down. There we go. Okay. And then what I done is I just took my pine cone. I found this literally on the ground. And I just take a little glue and put right here. Glue it right there. And just stick it in between those. Just to give it that look a little bit more polished, because if you just put cotton balls on that, crap, that's hot. Be careful with the hot glue. And like I said, I just cut these off and I just put a little bit of glue right here. I do love my new glue gun though, the little tip, it's perfect. I think I got it at Joann's when they did a grand opening. Mine, I don't know if I'm going to keep mine hanging on the tree because I'm really picky about my tree. I think I might make little balls to like sit around my coffee table. But like I said, you can make any size. You see how you just go in between the little cotton and how it's starting to form. God, this looks like a hot mess on camera though. Okay. I'm going to finish this up. There's really, you know, not much to tell. You just put it in between the cotton like that where it starts to form. And then I'll be right back and show you the finished product. And there it is, the little finished ornament, which come out to be a pretty good size if you can think about this is what we started with. And then they've went to that size. So they're a really good size ornament for a tree. And like I said, this is where it kind of wasn't picking up on camera, but you just stick these in all over. And honestly, they look just like the ones that Hobby Lobby or Michael's or all the other stores that are selling for like the Farmhouse Christmas tree look. And it looks really cute. And like I said, I was able to get 9 of these for $3 versus the 2 for $10. So I'm happy with it. It just took me a little bit of time, but not too much time. But I think it looks so cute on my tree. And it just really, I love it. So, thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful, happy Thanksgiving, because Thanksgiving's tomorrow. Be safe, and I hope you and your family have just a wonderful, blissful, thankful day. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Bye.